Hi everybody, video for you on this 66 Zodiac I've just got from over in Italy. It's a one owner car and belonged to the same chap who sadly passed away in 2016, and I bought it off his son. And well, he actually contacted me if I wanted it. Obviously once going through, I thought it's a full resto, but I mean patina's so brilliant, I don't want to touch it, I just want to look at it. And I mean the car, well, it's absolutely square body wise, everything's right, you know, there's surface rust on it, but there's no real corrosion on it. Engine's locked up, usual stuff. Mirrors a bit at it and various bits, but note that I ain't got for it. But the reason I'm doing a video is because obviously I'm going to get it photographed as it is, because I don't want to lose this patina. I don't want to like ever lose it from its history file of our car. And then I might just clean the car up and then let it go on circuit for a while so people can see how original and how square it is. But I'm doing this video so I can get a quick look round it, because I'm just that pushed for time with work that I'm going to have to shove it in the corner and forget about it for a while, so you're not going to see it. So, but you've obviously seen videos of it coming over from Italy and bits and pieces, and so I thought I'd just do you a look round it. So here we go anyway. So I mean, I'm on my makeshift tripod that I use when I do videos. I'm not full it, but you can see it's absolutely, I mean it's got a tax disc in it that shows car last used in, I think it's about 75 on top of the screen, but I have got some bit of paperwork he sent me over that shows I think it were actually last tax, whether he used it, I think was 77. I have just cleaned the spot up and it will come alive, but I'm hoping that's what I probably do with it, because I've got to show this right circuit. I'm even thinking of booking into Classic Car Show as an original car, as an original find. I mean, I'm so relieved when Giovanni contacted me. He just messaged me one night, because obviously I'm into these cars, and just asked me if I wanted it. So, but I just wanted to show. I mean, it's loads of cat prints on it. We get cats walked over it and stuff like that. Even a beetle come with it. When I opened one at the back door, a little blue beetle. I don't know where they come from, but my daughter had a look, and apparently they're American, so I don't know where that hitched to ride somewhere coming over. Well, it's on 13-inch wheels. It's a 1966 March, so the car is actually, prior to launch it was manufactured. I mean, it's blue mink. I mean, when I read code I thought it was Silver Fox, but I've obviously got that one wrong, or they've changed how they worked it out, you know. I mean, as you can see, cars, obviously it's left-hand drive. Interiors, oh, there's no rips, tears or anything. It's really in good shape. It's just mucky with being sat. It looks like a bit of condensation, a bit of mould here and there. I mean, it's nice. It's a nice colour blue, and carpet's nice. It's a blowout carpet should come. It's got lovely seat belts. Brightwork's alright. Headlining's good. A little bit mucky, but no tears. I mean, everything's there. He has put some speakers in it at some time on front doors, but they're in the boot, so they can go back in. I mean, what can you expect from a car? 1966 that's been sat. Well, there wasn't even a door on garage. It was just sat there, and that's better. Went a bit out of focus there. I don't know what went off, but Matt's good. Got an electric aerial. Whether that works, we'll wait to see. I've obviously I've oiled everything on, sprayed all handles, all locks, all hinges, because everything was pretty solid. Dashboard's nice. You know, obviously it clocks in kilometres. amp meter looks like something's gone a bit pear-shaped with that, but I don't know what that is, but no doubt we will find out. She's a manual, she ain't got an overdrive. So, but we're pretty, I mean, we're pretty standard, you know, so. But it's a lovely car, but I just love this patina. I mean, that's just me, I just love original things. I mean, I really want to just clean it up. And well, I want to get it on circuit, because obviously I've got that lovely V4 I've just acquired, and that's a lovely original thing, and there'll be a couple of nice things to parade about. I've lubricated all hinges up, because everything's they were binding like mad, but bonnet hinges, but it's all alright under here. Like I said, engine's locked, but I'll sort that out, I'll get it free. Somebody's modified battery tray, which happens very often, and but I'll have got some battery trays, I'll be able to put that back right. But there's no corrosion on inner wings whatsoever. And like I said, it's been sat in the garage, and it's been sat there with no door on, as you've seen my video of it coming out. But I mean, I'm not a big Zodi man. I've got another one, but that one's a 70 automatic. But this one's a nice thing with 13-inch wheels, early suspension. More my sort of thing, I prefer early cars. But anyhow, that's a look round it for you. And like I say, it's going in corner.